Can I give my time to her? I want to hear more. How you doing, guys? I've been told that if you understand me, I'm very funny. Hi, how are you? Yeah, I'm from Russia. I was born in Russia. And that means that I cannot be your president. I'm sorry, guys. I know, right? I would be an amazing president. Recently I purchased one of those vacuum robots cleaners, and it goes around my apartment and vacuums my floors. You know those Roombas, and they cost like $400, and they're amazing. They map your apartment, and they know where they're going and where they've been, so they don't clean it twice. Mine is like $99. And mine doesn't know where he is. He doesn't know where he's going. He just blindly go straight until he gets and bumps into like a wall and goes like a blind janitor cleaning offices, like something like that. Yeah, speaking of offices, are you guys, have you been to PornHub?
Oh, yeah.
Woo! Not the website, the office of PornHub. I've been. It's just an office. In the valley, where? Why? Of course it's in the valley. I'll show you later when I'll Google it. It's just an office. It's a boring office with cubicles and pictures of kids and dogs. I know, right? Pornhub have pictures of kids and dogs. Family and stuff, huh? Yeah, and it's you know, you wouldn't know it's Pornhub. Like you would go like down the hall, talk to your co-worker about your vacation to Hawaii, and there would be like they have like an editing base, and somebody will leave the door open, and you will be like, oh, the Hawaii is nice this time of year, and there's like, and they are unfazed. Nobody like, they don't care. There is a Linda in HR. You know how it's hard to be Linda from HR in Pornhub? Not hard at all. Actually easier than any other HRs, because they don't harass anybody. They don't do sex anymore. Yeah.
Okay.
Anyhow, have anything else about that? No, me and my wife split up last year.
Nice.
We decided to be happy. And I'm so happy. The reason I'm happy because I wake up every day thinking I might meet someone, something special. And, every day I wake up with the thought that I'm on a collusion with somebody to meet some. And she can be anyone. She can be a short lady, a tall lady, a fat lady, young, old, whatever, right? Every day I wake up with the thought, which one of you ladies will be mine? Which one of you ladies? Which one of you ladies?
Oh my God!
Which one of you ladies will be mine? Bam, 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 bam. Which one of you ladies? Which one of you ladies? Which one of you ladies will be mine? Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Kenny G. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Elton John. Which one of you guys? Which one of you guys? Which one of you guys will be mine? Which one of you ladies? Which one of you ladies? Which one of you ladies will be mine? Dun, dun, wow, wow, wow.
Whoa!
Thank you so much.